Hi. Now I know how Joseph must have felt when he made his first talking picture. Only difference is I bet he didn't make his own picture like I'm doing. I thought I might like to show you some of the instruments that I brought back from the Far East. First of them is from the Philippines. This is a Bontoc nose flute. This instrument is made by the headhunters in the Philippines. Nose flute. The next one is from Thailand. This is a Khan. It's spelled K-A-E-N. It's a bamboo organ. It's sort of the national instrument of Thailand. I'd like to show you just a little bit of how it sounds. From Thailand. I think I have time for one more. This is from Vietnam. It's just a regular bamboo flute. I bought this off of an old man in the streets of downtown Saigon for 50 cents. The piano is the most difficult instrument to record. So this is asking an awful lot of synchronous, but we're going to see what it sounds like. This is my new Yamaha piano.